Absolutely adorable 2-bedroom, 2-bath home situated on an oversized corner lot at 4875 Tahiti Lane, Naples, Florida 34112. This charming property boasts a prime Naples location and offers a split-bedroom floor plan, providing privacy and functionality for everyday living. The spacious kitchen is a true highlight, featuring a large garden window that fills the space with natural light, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or tending to an indoor herb garden. The 1.5-car garage offers plenty of room for storage and a hobby workbench, making it ideal for DIY projects or extra storage needs. The beautifully landscaped front and side yards are adorned with mature Bismark Palm and Poinciana trees, adding a touch of natural elegance to the property. Don't miss the opportunity to make this lovely home your own.